Hey everybody, it's Bill, your host for Casual Carolina Fishing. I just want to thank everyone who followed along last year and welcome any new viewers to the channel. Hopefully we have ourselves another good year of fishing and a ton of fun in the process. Let's go see what's biting. Back down in the Haw River today. I put in down yonder at the Saxby paddle boat access. Back down in my favorite little kind of deep spot through here. Just gonna float a chicken livers in my bag, in my what do you call it? Tubular gauze. Look at that. Now that was quick. I mean, that was super quick. And that's a nice bullhead. Alright, bullhead, you just chill out there. You're slinging my livers everywhere. Stop it. Stop it. Whew. Pretty little bullhead. But I'm after channel cats today, so I'm gonna put him back. Ooh, that was fast. I literally, I just got here and just got set up when I turned the camera on. I hadn't even casted yet. So that's how quick that thing bit today. Good sign, right? Let's hope so. There we go. What is that? Oh yeah, that's something nice. Fairly nice. Yeah, that's pulling nice. I'm not sure what it is yet. Oh yeah. That's a channel cat. That's quickly a channel cat. Fun. Yes. Whew. That's what we're after. Have a little bigger. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's a fun one to catch. That was a lot of fun to catch, in fact. Alright, I need some water in my cooler, I think. That seems like something else kind of nice, decent. Well, that's a bullhead. That's a nice bullhead. That's a nice bullhead. All right. What happened here, dude? You got the liver bag wrapped around your spine there. Nice little bullhead. Alright, now you just set it down. Alright, yeah. You got something poop coming out of there. That must be a crawfish. That's funny. Alright, well, anyway, that's another bullhead. And one keeper channel cat. There we go. Oh, that's something. That's something that feels kind of nice. Another channel cat. Whew. He's a smaller one. Younger one too. He's got the spots on him still. Alright, relax there, fella. I'll get you unhooked and get you put right back. You're a little small for me to keep. Barb out of there, that'll just slide right out there. Here's a little channel cat. I did turn you back up. Alright. There we go. Flighty boo. Get another one. I hadn't moved. In the same spot. Fighter. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is why I like using these ultralights, because these things will fight. If you got an ultralight, it's a fight and a half. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish, y'all. Nice channel cat. Sure. Alright, sweetie. Just relax. Another eater. That's about, maybe a little bit smaller than the first one. I think it's a little bit bigger than the second one, and it'll make some fillets. I'm keeping that. That's a nice bullhead. That's gonna make some nice fillets. There we go. Something. Bullhead, twisting bullhead. Really wild twisting bullhead. Yep. Not terrible, but I'm gonna put it back. It'll grow up and get a little bigger. Oh, whoa, what was okay, that's a fish that's got some pull to it. I believe that might be another channel cat. Yeah, that's a channel cat. Sir, that is. That's what I was looking for. Another one of them. coming along, because I was just about ready to give up. Not quite, but just about. I know. There we go. Something. Not sure what yet. Oh, that's a nice channel cat too, I think. Yep, sorry folks, I just caught a small one. But I didn't get it on camera because my battery died and I didn't realize it. What happened there? Better throw that bail back. Thought I already had. Guess not. Whoa. Okay, that's a fish. Bullhead? Yep, bullhead. Not bad size at all. Relax, bullhead. Just chill out a second. We will get you taken care of a lot longer. Not bad. I might have to keep that one. Not bad. Well, nah, you know what? We'll let you go. You're not quite as big as that other one. Okay, well, I've caught this guy. He's real black, super dark, black looking. Look how black and dark. That's a male, I think, the way he looks. That's a nice one. Caught him right by that rock. My SD card had run out of juice or out of room, and I had to look and find a segment that didn't have a fish caught on it to delete so I could get this on here for you. But that's a pretty fish. He'll make fillets. Some fillets. Whew. Okay. And I believe that's going to do it. It's after 7. I got to get back. I got to get out of here out by 8 o'clock. So I'm done. Have a good night. Alrighty folks, I'll just talk to you a little bit as I paddle my way back to the landing. You'll notice it's been a while since I've had a video, and that's just because the weather's been a little flaky up here around North Carolina. We've had quite a bit of rain off and on, and it's just kept the creeks and rivers swelled up. Water's just been too high and running too hard. But today we were able to get out, and it was a beautiful day. I think the high today was about 80, 81 degrees. It wasn't too terribly windy, and the fish were biting. So what more can you ask for, right? It was a good day. Thanks everybody for coming along. And we'll try to get some more videos out for you this summer, if the weather will cooperate. So take care. Hey, thanks for coming by and watching. I really appreciate it. If you would, click that thumbs up button down there. It lets YouTube know you liked the video, so they might recommend it to other people they think might enjoy it too. Also, click that subscribe button down there if you haven't already. That way you'll get notifications when I put my new videos out. We'll see you next time, wherever that happens to be, and whenever that happens to be. Take care, folks. Remember, get out there and do some fishing. It'll do your soul some good.